Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to yet another episode of Cast and More Podcast, your number one soccer podcast in the land. We're on episode 99, one episode away from a milestone. Soon we'll be achieving the milestone. 100 episodes is not a joke. And as always, I'm with my partners in crime. I think I did justice last time. This is a season's cafe. Masuti, unfortunately, the bereavement, why you wasn't film, who can introduce Kaki, today, Team Pele, nonetheless, I've got Christian Machis. Toby? I'm not Team Hammer. Yes, your name is umkhokheli nathi umkhokheli about I'm done.
That's right.
Okay, sweet.
Sponsorship.
Hey, skipper sabo nje.
Yes,
Skipper sabo nje.
yes,
Suitman,
I'm sure.
you see Toby?
I was part of
It's got this.
Try
Ubuhle bani?
ukuhle bamahlabezulu. Amahlabezulu yani thina.
Alright.
So mawufuna ukudestroy wona ubuhle siyaqhubeka.
I was part of that. Anyway, as you know, the program is proudly brought to you by Sports Zone, Jen. Sports Zone, asiyabona. Sports Zone. Bonke sikubonayo nje. Sports Zone. Yes, umenze uzafaka lapha ama-viewers ngibone ukuthi sports uthola kuphi nxa ufuna anything ye-sports, but props brought to you by Take 3 Events, Take 3 Studios, Take 3 Media, as always i-crew yachazeka ukuthi segolli Take 3 Media, i-Take 3 Media, and our all-weather friends guys, okuhle design. We saw ama-goodies abasenzele umnyakuqalisa. You can also get yourself all the design. From day one, but from first episode, they exclusive. It take 3 people know. It take 3 is amazing. But before you get into the show, seasons cafe must to work with you.
I wanna send friend ukuthi ukudla ngani. That is very top so. So I think you have done one I was guru tafuli.
What do you
Ulama inyanya. Ulama several color, not seven color, several color.
Jara seasons cafe the treated as well.
But was reason, not so I'm travel as reason.
And I'm just episode with Sakurimsa now. So anyone but this is cafe at this point. This is cafe just for no episode 100. If you host for episode 100. Since 1999 so but for episode 100 bafuna ukusiplanela something abanye abantu bekhala bethi sisilo sibona ama salad what lokho sisikujwayele inkukhu bathi hayi buye sizigabhe uzobona ama menu ayinathi yonke into mdala every nyanga amnathi so episode 100 we're going back to sizigabhe yasabona hey that was nice ngakho ukufayela isikhathi
labazomfakela
ngakho bayofayela nxa utope ngakudlanga bawufika uzobenza isitho zakala uba awenda anyway guys ahle singenele hlelo yawazi singakangeni emakhamereni yokuchisa lapha off camera ni-AFCON asibambene kuhle asihambeni layo siqalise from kuma-semi-final. We saw what happened kuma-semi-finals. Asiqalise ngama-semi-final. Sibuye sibe sesingena kule sitshisa esikhothi seyenza zamabhana amakhulu singakangeni on air.
Semi-final number 1, semi-final number 2. Ngibukele igame ye-Morocco and Nigeria. I thought I've seen the final before the final. Because that game, wow, it was so nice. I was like, you could see pound for pound. But we see quality and upper lane happens. The fair play was so nice, everything was so nice, unfortunately.
So to get a fair play, I
Unfortunately, because the one in the fair play, previously, I couldn't complain about Arabs who never feel.
yes.
But it was in the semi-final in Morocco, it was in Nigeria, nothing much was. But I enjoyed watching the game. Nonetheless, the team which I wanted to progress did not progress in Nigeria. But basically, it was good football. When the team there, we have seen Egypt and Senegal. The team here come by said defend. There's a class with the Nicola sequence, which is Egypt. I think Egypt, the one is a good as well as because in our company came here after situation. I think here is a consumer program is easier for extraction with social like but nonetheless, it was so nice.
Sudman,
Ghana Egypt, Senegal, I want to Senegal from Ghana. Ghana match Ghana is a team. Yeah, that's why you wanna. But when you talk about who like in Egypt, but that instruction. Na kona izolo lakwa the around the years vile the ngaitaba ni izakati final year that he couple cause badala as a team those guys were serious and money is so humble yabona ingaba le player edlala kuma levels nje sikhuluma ama levels bonke badlala ama levels but ama levels akana chiyana ikona manje labo ngabantu abake ba uma world stars silo mathiwa walo ba 6 lo manje lawo mkhulu but ngendlela humble ngayo hayi but that guy is humble and like maybe the so Egypt ngosala like usala of course like big supporter but sometimes you go then when it comes to Morocco called the Nigeria Nigeria mdala isadlala but hayi honestly dawore ubheka igame awubona ukuthi hayi Nigeria singaphumi because ngendlela edlala ngayo Nigeria ayibambananga like njalo ilomfana lo wabo lo somini somini mdala yaka into engisho lo mfana odlala ibhola labo Popa labo Zamba lo mfana lo
Popa
labo Popa lo mfana omnyama lo eChad Operating like ukuthi umuntu obona mayekhona kwamele ukubona kahle badala para le
it's not a team player go usually but I think it's a team player talking team semi final
like maybe Egypt Senegal they say ukuthi Senegal is strong in the Egypt they accepted that. That's why when babedlala kulo block why going forward most of them counter kuma counter xa besiya agent because ungakhayela grip ama stats shows ukuthi Egypt never attacked Senegal kakhulu but Senegal was on top of them ngeke base then it takes closely obviously in the nature ebora if you dingahlutshwa you got nothing to lose because it's closely then selizamunja ukureact to the situation because uthi berekele defender and the total defender so I think Senegal la yathi situation yakaqala kuba ala ukuthi because basebenzisa something yabo of which Senegal when it's Senegal team lana bahlangene siyase ukuthi bona ngabantu abano ukuthi bonke akulodlala Senegal compared to Egypt most of them they play in Egypt but ngalo Senegal bonke they play the highest level so I think there be more advantage to Senegal to dominate game for game guys. They so we in Nigeria the Morocco. Yeah, you will see with the strategy say Morocco was sport especially coach was sport the analyst of the sport they manage to continue you because what you represent yabo elikimpini yaphambili Mwekwanisa ukufaka amabhola lana dangerous between the lines siyabo Lukman so bona bazama ukukhathisa kulike kwapha uthi ibhola ngabile ibhola lithola Lukman e4-1 ngoba Lukman igame lana maybe he struck most of the game Osimhen, because Osimhen like where was to be any potential I said to one who Osimhen boxing, but it didn't have some card. But then you want penalty, no, it's a little
which is
I'm a penalty. But I think this is our final. I think they deserve to feel about because it's working to play good football, which way we final. So I feel like justice was safe to final.
Then use wangena ku-issue yakho ye-free play ngiyakafiki. We also saw during ama-semi-final uSamuel Eto'o athi badlile bona amakhokho during i-stage sesama-semi-final babona bemshaya ibhanga fine actually fine isinkarata imali le after bedliwa esekhulumile la awukhulumayo ngendlela wena okhulumayo bekuyinto ebivele ikhona because I would like to believe ukuthi lebesike siyinto but ukuthi sithanda ukuthi le nto eyenzakalayo when it comes to the Arab nations yabo befike ngathi balefile ukuthatha because I think sesingena deep analyze game ezona but there was something you could see ukuthi into eyikhona that's why Eto'o bebekhuluma ngayo angazi ukuthi uthini nge-issue eyadilwa ukuthi we-fair play Eto'o lapho the rate that's why I think
I think wonke umuntu vele ngathi tournament bekhala nge-officiates of which I don't think ukuthi i-officiating lana it has to do with anyone, maybe like president CAF or anyone, but it's about your referee. Naturally, ukuthi bona they do justice to football because wananzelela Eto'o ule right ukuthi ekhala ngoba kula decisions especially versus Morocco i-penalty kambeuma lana you could see ukuthi it was supposed to be a VAR but ungahambi so lapha mina I think service blame ama-referee because bona they have to do justice to football, they have to ukuthi because abantu abaningi babe-investe kakhulu than ukuthi kuba-expensive decide ngomuntu oyi-one yabo. So I think Eto'o uyabele right but kuyamele ube-right professional lokho sekubholeni athi abaze-player always be a player.
but waphambanisa i-sportsmanship.
I think our emotions are clear, but nonetheless, I still remember the last episode and I raised the point of I felt Arabs are getting much of the favor because Ulama was about 6. I told like and none of them were even questioned or even went too far. But something like that. And the penalty of 14 matches was supposed just to be checked even as a penalty. So that shows that there's a fair play. But the problem comes now to the matter of football and as well as FIFA making your CAF. We need FIFA to specify with other regulations when a player or a coach speaks about the referee, he gets fined, he gets banned. But if you say if I have done this, it won't like officially. So when you can go to the premise of the that's something which is wrong. But nonetheless, I know that there are certain channels of good words, but when I went to my channels, say as a report just to say what but when I went to public, 20,000 Eto'o was Eto'o is a figure, the president of an association. We have some rules and regulations, but we all understand when the emotions get out of you can do anything. I'm not saying what he did was right, but you should get up down for the fake chance. But now who died, everything, the playing field was there. But then the playing field, it was not level anymore. If we Cameroon and other to say.
Ngifuna siyenza sibuye kuhle yobona sibenza ngoba lo muntu omnyoreze i-penalty yathi sasikhulume ngayo but asikubambanga nje eTanzania also just as
wayikhuluma
ukuthi basho last minute and there was a push but you referee so I think ngamanye decisions futhi ayenza ube ngani oreferee.
And it was against Morocco. So everything is like in Morocco. As they are hosting.
So because even i-Algeria another Arab country labo bakhala ngokuthi ama-Moro uyabona into ukuthi thina sithi ama-Arabs but labo abanye babo bathi iMorocco yabe-favorite because I remember babethinga bona besithi kanti why ama-fixtures ka-ref awe-Morocco versus Cameroon aphuza ukuphuma why uyabona so I think into yona leyo vele into eyenza like u-Eto'o like umhluphe vele kuyinto lokwa because remember futhi Vinyuko Bruce complaint ngokuthi thina esidlala eMorocco why is-travela kakhulu
Morocco
yona injani so yiko ababethinga ngabo ukuthi vele eMorocco ngani yona into zihamba ngabo.
And I think ama-organizers bona bonke abe-CAF leyo motherboard yakhona yiyo eyenza izinto ngendlela edakweni because ukuthi waphuma nge-fair play ade kumele kube fair when it comes like Morocco like traveling but manje soku one-sided yabona ngenxa yokuthi yena i-hostile which means ibhola lisekho fair.
I think liyana enye issue of traveling man bese kusiya ngokuthi lidlala njani because nxa lide lidliwe limove to siufake imbalance nxa lide lidliwe kumele limove but Hugo Bruce into ayikhala ngayo yona bona nto sebemove i-training camp base bafakela khatshana instead
but iSenegal ayidliwanga kodwa inovile so still the
Yes. Before.
but whenever we sit here but kodwa bahle bakwazi ukuthi Morocco ufuna
ukuthi the team host sometimes ama-advantages amaningi but ama-advantages akhona asuke bulale abanye abantu that's why yabona oka-8 singathi utsho ungahambe urongo channel but ukana actually always say ukuthi all things work together for right ebenza ngoba that is past kangeke kufiki kuyafana ukuthi maybe umama lo baba bayalwa thina sibone ukulwa sibona behlekelela kathi behind the scenes lokho kunye kwenza so into embi ayihlale siyazi ukuthi into
Khulu.
engilabo I know as from now echo selokuzwe kwazi abantu sebekwazi seya correct that mistake kade lokho beyenza lokho recycle waya bona
So semi-final Nigeria lost, Egypt lost, Russia can go take the food. I think by right in Nigeria deserves something throughout the tournament. I think it's one of the teams that have.
Yeah, in Nigeria was the highest scoring team. Even 14 goals. 14 goals in which they have even 14 goals in the Senegal being the second with 13 goals. So meaning and I think they were the best performing team.
Nigeria
overall Nigeria and the rest would
they're exciting to watch.
But I think versus Morocco they didn't have to party in Nigeria to see who win. Versus Morocco, I think abazange bayenza lokho bathi bekwenza because most of the time they won the big food, but uma game lawo wawathi Nigeria I think that they will score. But kule versus Morocco I feel like abaningi team perform well, especially like uLukmani, Osimani.
Asikolo kana ukuthi yini iMorocco ebenziwe homework.
Lami that's why lokuzuthi
Lazi anti top
pressure
the top men.
The pressure that after lapha sesiyakufanya.
The top men. iMorocco be the top men.
Bazama phela banguthi befake i-defense yabo ukuthi kuzokufika sibili kumapheni yabo but anyway ngakuthi Nigeria kube ivulele igame yayo la leyo umashirisi yabo kube yawina but yona yazama ucontent mana singadlala igame yethu as usual
because ngabona the first 10 minutes ayijitare mu yonke lokho izama ukuphatha sibe attack waya ngathi ngabona pressure.
But even though we can say that in Nigeria, but I think Kenya, that's when they showed their strength there, especially with defense. There was no pass which he could not intercept. He was spot on.
Uyabona enalwana nguyo engathi nguye umuntu was bullying abantu emuva eyi-1
Is the one-
so imagine ukuthi ngako abalabobhasi ababefika be-10 bedlale i-game yabo yayingakwanisa ukuyakhatshana eNigeria because uBhasi was the main emuva.
But I was happy mina overall 3rd and 4th bethole ibronze.
Yeah, lapho-
Yeah, it's though he came up with so boring to watch. It was so boring. But nonetheless, cannot they managed.
But mayifuna kodwa Jay, to be honest, both teams they wanted to take.
They wanted 30, but even at us, even an slow fully came up on but maybe disappointed.
But ama 3rd and 4th vele kuthatha kanjalo kanjalo wacheka nje.
But why not change? What's new child to be?
I'm not saying
Naturally, uyabona, I
ukuthi
think-
yeah
Enthusiasm, you can say.
ngobefuya ku-final. I think vele kwishashalo you'll never see 3rd and 4th yana ukuthi
engilawo nje 34 zibukela
Lawo layo bayayidlala noma ngiyamthola abadlala social la 34. Zange nje ngadala.
3rd and 4th. So
zokudlala abantu.
then let's get to the big one. Izolo nje.
Yeah.
Lapha
know.
but ngiyakwazi ukuthi ama-emotions zibili abe high. Ngifuna into esingene le brain zethu sizifake to everything that transpired singabi le bias because abantu ngiyakwazi ukuthi vele you know nje ama-emotions e-game lawa the team ebengifuna iwine
Yes, I will.
but asikhangelen everything not on face value but sikhangelen like proper zibili igame ezolo le nto yonke eyenzakelizwe.
Yeah, first of all, I would just say congratulations to Morocco for a successful 2025, I think 2026 AFCON. But it was there and congratulations to Senegal for winning the team, the tournament. It wasn't in Ikemilana. I was thinking of Manchester City. Ikemilana will not midfield. The team is a one who control midfield is going to win the game because looking to at Morocco side, they put a defense from that game. It came number 1 to came number 7. Because the one goal only with penalty. And since March last year up to now, Bakona never conceded first goal open
play.
They were considering in extra time, which means they were always on clean sheets. So I think Senegal did their homework. Even from the start of the tournament up to the end, you made almost about 400 passes, which was the best in the tournament. And that guy who has interference, even the killer pass science, they use extra time. They would get this again. I hate to tell my brothers. So Senegal is a report because even from position wise, he dominates up to the end. So I think he put another winner midfield. Like I said, in Morocco, he played defense. In Senegal, I think the second team, highest scoring team with 13 goals, he played attack. So each team, if we say it's a better meet, and the media we dominated, and they managed to get the win.
And they silence the trophy.
And they silence the 12 men.
That's what is critical. Especially in final. They are silencing 12 men. They won't get a if what I say, won't come. Because it 12 men plays a critical role. As to the final.
Yeah, finally, like the other in predicting. The one Senegal is a team. Yana inchini babishani Senegal. Ama chances are always lower. Even you are those are the poor party. Abenzima always lower. Ghana is plays a team Senegal. Jaro mwacha kangina from the start Senegal. Itabantu ukuthi abayithu because Morocco if was one final, you know the crowd and the media party yonke into yana vele azange ukathi idlalela abantu abakuhayileyo azange panic Senegal ya continue
about it.
ukwathi nje Nigeria idlala Morocco yadlala the same game yona yana the same game yayo, you know ngabana ama chances abo where the middle win Senegal scored. Senegal dana team dana shine dana ichize
singakafiki ku-boiling point ibone njani i-final
I find it sharp. I sharp, especially with the 2-6 final. Because I feel like Senegal, they manage to first half, they dominate the game and they manage to close to Diaz or Hakim. Inside
most dangerous.
the most dangerous side of the so you could not see who Hakim mostly see about because who Hakim get dangerous. The road Diaz, the road dangerous. I'm near a check on in. But this will manage John one, John Mendy, so the man, but John Mendy, yeah, how funny, they will manage the manage the post around, Abasabu, but dangerous places, Bandigan, between the lines, Robert Carissa. So we limit 50, even though Morocco limit 50 line. There was a most in our passes, but we never overpowered the Senegal. Then second half, we go about to Gaisa Kono Akim. There will take him and Africa family, the Falama Taylor passes, because that guy strikers in Morocco scooting 2 chances. So that's why Morocco the second half they realize but they have one feel. But like you suppose na masoksi sambi la wanda. But then the day it was a good game. It was a good game. It was tactical.
Mutopila kwa mtu kuna isa itika Hakim ndo Diaz la. Kwa Hakim simazi vile mtu ataka natoka na you realize umane ubemnika that time because the only moment ahambe khona kakhulu phambili lapha that's the when abamchiye ngani wasakuvulekile side yakhe okusathola ibhola extra time which means because ngila muntu even though it is ukupika ispeed utegijimisa umuntu uthi efika vele wona kwacha into engafuna for mncane but
I think upopetho how to know coach
yeah,
he's a good coach.
I feel like Senegal, I think he structures our since we started about 2021. Abantu abaningi abaloke bekhona babambeni. Yabona? Yabona kafana ivimoro babambeni njalo. That's why it's easy for them to continue to progress.
But kana indlela abafana abancane. Wona Senegal bela abafana abancane 21 20
but
like Senegal abathatha 2021 lokho then abafana abancane sebethatha njani 1 2 3 4 so it's easier for umfana ukuthi progress endaweni njalo because it's surrounded by
and awufuna abancane babedlala futhi bathina
kodwa asikuthi bathatha abafana ukuthi awudlala Senegal ya udlala
Champions League winner. Someone trophy the
6 or something like
that.
Or 17. We are going to connect people to one place to go to coach. Ukuthi khona uyenze i-make yakhe. Into enginanze leyo from the semi-finals you realize that
besefuna ukubuya
ngama-local coaches yes abazali bakhambe ukuthi siyathatha phandle even it will team one only foreign coach kuma-local coaches apart but in African so we need coming back to our nation they need to trust ama-local coaches ayisiko ukuthi khona abantu umuntu ngabamforeigner selazi sekwazi ukucoach coacha ni umuntu olothando ocoacha with passion ofuna ukuthi iZimbabwe wina edlamini iZimbabwe wina eze coaching awina ezi
from national anthem njalo into efana nayo
did you realize ukuthi ama team olawa the final wala i-big staff yawo nje i-coaching department yonke very babe baningi njalo uyabona ukuthi asikho uNtombi ngeke ukucathangela ukuthi ayintombi ezenze so it's not about umuntu oyi-1 naloya baningi
but from the point kamuntu uyabona into engithanda win even language barrier sabe sikwasakula
ngazona amaningi ama-former player
ama-former players.
Into engahle kuyenza mina ukuthi ngiyenze coach.
Imagine if you could have invested this card, abantu abajabopika or like abantu abajabomapezi abadlalayo.
Bruce Bobla, understand?
But right, as getting
2002 coach lo wehle ukuthatha lo ubekhona lo. But now uqinisile as a player, so it's something which is nice as well.
progression.
The progression
ama-former players lokuyathethiwe
Show the progression. Asingene nesidingi sendaba ufuna sihlezi phansi ngale ehluphayo. Igoli eSenegal ngiyakwazi. Was it a goal or I think Iliana yiyo ikhona ukuqhatha bona umsindo lona aggressive bese siwabona.
Right, i-benchmark yami mina bengithi yakusithi ngisebenzisa since nasitshela ukuthi zonke into simeasure ngama-European football lokubukela ngale-stream. Now ukuthi kungathiwa kuse-England or Spain or something like else, that goal was going to count because those guys onganto yi-50-50 chance. But however, because uwile boxing kubonakala as a defender, you always get an advantage, especially now ukuthi khona ya defending. Ama-ref they tend to give you an advantage. So by so doing, ref I can say he was spot on because besechachile vele kungasenani. But kodwa kubuhlungu vele ukuthi khona usibhola selingeminating umsindo omningi impemba uyizwa uzabona uref sithi khona esekompela phansi because unjani uyakhombela ngayimlotheni and you expect ukuthi uzakuyakuva what uref sebele sechayile before impembe because nxa sechaye impembe ikona ngimbuza sithi khona ikopolana ithe uqale ukuthi ukhala nguref kumbe ikopolo and you said uref can plan uchaye impembe so nxa uref uchaye impembe there's no need to come back but so nonetheless I can say on that he was spot on even though kubuhlungu.
Susman.
Liyana like singayikhangela kabanzi mina ngibona ngani uref ingabe chawe itsotsi ngokwakhe.
This guy.
Because omunye umuntu kuya ngokuthi kuwubani manje. Ebholeni madodana. Ebholeni kabotsotsi. Yabona kungapanguwa kwalapha eZimbabwe kungawupita yabo wayengani protection. So Hakim la isitsotsi sakhe lokuthi wena ivalue yakhe the best player yabo lo reyo kaze chachi yabo kuba ngakachachi uref igoli yakangena sihamba kuva ibiza hlupha kanjani manje ukuthi best kaze chachi kwakhe kumele sebe so ngezinye indlela singathi uref yena side lakhe uright lami side lami ngibona hayi uref mnandi nje uthi lama depembe Senegal
Asitshela ufebe sigelele yokuthile
mina kimi uref lapana ube sport on because sometimes ebholeni wona vele like imthetho ebhola I think vele abamele simbayithi uref uncedise sabo ezinye izinto sesingathi usport on kwesinye isikhathi ungabe sport on because thina sesibona ngelihlo langamalo uyabona because laphana of course wonke umuntu uyabebona abantu bephushana but ngesikhathi bephushana ibhola belingana ngesikhathi seliseduze lokho bese uyabona only defender so sometimes kumbana can count ukuthi usebonile ukuthi wena ufuna ukuyahluza vele uhamba ngezandla because awula ukuthi umuntu uqinile ephusha ngezandla awula ukuqina kwezandla
but bepusha mina to me how uref lapana izinkara bathe mistake kimi
alright
because abantu bephushana njalo vele ngalipushana njalo i-50-50
understand ukuthi akula power yokufuqa akule power yokufuqa vele ibholeni and ngezandla
exactly but
so ngabona osokuyile sokuyi-advantage
uyabona into ekhuluma yikho nje khona bekuyi-50-50 kela i-aerial duel singayikasonke laphana emoyeni siye ibhola siyedala uref echaye impembe sometimes kulapha yenza khona i-drop ball sometimes kulapha nika khona i-free kick eyikhonibelenge because yabona ukuthi i-only disadvantage mbani kakhulu elesinika
efana ivimelwano bona into ekhuluma yenzakile futhi wayingiyinto wadabuka la
Emoro
wadabuka yenikhani but from that incident wahamba kwaba lekhona penalty hamsindo wahlala
inkinga evuse umsindo so penalty ukuthi ayisikho indaba ukuthi ipenalty ile indaba ukuthi ngale kuhlohla ibhola urefu wangamisi sakuva that's ovuse khona ama-flares because even urefu esiyakuvala ukuthi wonke umuntu uhlwa ku-playground urefu engakhombela ukuthi i-decision yakhe inga so I think okucaphula ama-players eSenegal ukuthi why didn't you stop the game there wacheka lathi kuva wasesikliki ukuthi asogogola ngapho sosiyakuvuleka ku-obvious wonke umuntu akwazi nxa ngathi ovali sokubili
i-problem yabe ngalabantu I think lapana yasongama-emotions abe sengenele kakhulu ama-players because sometimes ma umthetho uyadla ukwathi urefu engatshaja kuvaka engatshaja before ikuphiwe
but unyanzele something to
ibhola eliyediweni lana ngakuthiwa yile hlela ngeni beyihamba kuvana even urefu etshaje but ayisiyelingenichayipost
mfundise ukukhuluma uyakwazi urefu yakho kuyashajanga uDiaz bekumuntu yenze ukuthi ibhola leqinisi yakuva proper ungacheka kuhle uDiaz uhle waba dramatic walanda urefu ibhola belimiswe khona lamba lasho
uyabona kwamfana yinto most of ama-game esiwabukelayo if that thing happen vele ama-players amaningi run to refu bethi asabe kuvalo it's either uyenza deliberate ifawulu yokuthi ibhola limiswe then urefu sesithi because urefu yena maye ngabonanga kanyeke limisi amisi because uzamelele ukuthi ibhola liphume oliyenze
but mina into engisho azinthini urefu i-decision yakhe vele ubengashajanga
yes
so igame yakhe
inkinga wayo urefu engashajanga khona ukuthi ungathi urefu most of the times ukwenza urefu abona nje ukwenza ngokuDiaz ungathi awunandini Europe basukela ukuze urefu izinto abengabona ama-players esenziwe confusion sekumgijimela ubani sokuthiwa
but bale communication
but i-communication kakhulu kurefu asho ngaphuma ngale but okunye okwenza vele urefu ekuva most of 99% ama-players
Zimbabwe ekamave la urefu wayetshe khulu uyabona wathi khona but that's why usukwazi ucommunicate ukuthi vana lebonile then izokukali so Diaz yena kwamfana engahlala yena ebona ukuthi kule something la urefu uyacontinue iplay until iphume then ivayi ezazazi ukuthi
but actually since though change after ivayi ihambile urefu ihambile wathi Mbeko
indabona it's 90 plus 90 plus usibonisa isiphiwo emlonyeni indoda ifisa mina though abakwenzilelo kwaloku-background lasiko kwebhola but I would like to assume ukuthi khona ama-emotions like I said ukuthi khona you feel the pain, you feel dejected, you feel ukuthi ukukhuluma so than ngiyakusenzakala
I think mina phezulu yabona ukhulume something of engithandileyo yabona ivinkathi i-PSL nxa sibuya bengathi uvele uthi uyaphuma eground 200,000 or 300,000 ayinegotiate ayinjani pay within 7 days and abantu bebekwazi khona kuya
dala maybe 12 point
12 or 14 point
dala kunamuntu ophuma
no i-point yami awuyizwisanga ukuthi angikhontansa ngithi khona I support the fact yokuthi baphume eground mina I'm saying ukuthi khona to protest was okay befuze protest but bengaphuma eground find a way ukuthi khona kubonakala ukuthi urefu is wrong
tell them message athi akulatshintshwa
yes urefu akutshintshe the refu is fine now but the fact that you protested nxa senza appeal phambili uzaphuma but manje lana ifinal akuda ukuthi kosa
umhlaba ubukele
so into abayenzilela of course asikhuthaze boring because singayikhuthaza sekuna sikubona sama-African system population
thina bese ujayesha
njalo ukhana kuthozi thina ethimini yethu lokhana bayenzwe ukuthi ngalo refade yakhe wathi asobhuka
exactly
yikho
thina sila urefe yali levume lapha ama-players angeke phuma ama-players angeke protest Kati kwenza isiphili.
Namasupporters are
Ayikho umsindo
afanele ungene ground amasupporters.
Then
Abenile
bese
ngomsindo.
hayi security spanning.
Security seventy.
Amanye amasizwe besingabona
Besingabona.
bese siwabona mase beposta
To protect lokuzwe image.
image. Imagine ngabe kuthiwa iSenegal iyaphuma ngothiwa hayi lokhu siwina ke lokho obare
Just much.
kwi-final.
The
final is the biggest tournament in Africa. You talk only winning 3-0. Then lokuzwe ile ukho.
Sesenzo karika bese bedivile ngari chi.
Ukaraga ukaraga kwa vile Fred Mbele ukaraga umane singathi ngumane but kulabantu abaningi abanye ukufona olutiofu
Ifoni ilikuwa singakwazi ukuthi.
Yes. Abanye ubefonile wabiza umane
Ubefonela bana sikwazi.
alokho
Because ukuthi lami ngabona ukuthi TV ngikwazi. Sekufuna ashira ngiyabona ku TV. Yabo. So but lapha umane short in leadership.
ucoach ucoach wala nje ufana
Coach
ungenile ground wese uyithi abanye sibese ground
Umane at the end of the day, I think you realize that football is to win. Senegal island out, but football is to win. You have to protect the image of this Africa Cup of Nations. Because ama clubs ngale release abantu release into enganjani ile ngoba. Ngoba asuze release la mingi club release play uthi ke into ezafika ipoint ukuze boycott. And I still remember sometimes ulokuze umasude ukhuluma that your coach sithi white. Esithi shita kule yeboni white. Umuntu uyayibona ikhadi elimnyama. I-AFCON le ibiyenhle from the beginning up to the end. Iyependwa into just last minute. 90 plus 6 minutes. Is because wonke umuntu beza khuluma nje sefocus ngokuthi walokho obenza ke leyo. Okuhle kungakusabona ngayo. Because umuntu vele into emhlophe nje ukhuluma kwenza umasudu. Akayibona. Ukhangela kulokana wabethi nasaza ukusola lokho ngikutsho lokho. Ibese ukwalisa West Africa.
But into ezivele sizikhulume abanye angazekeli ukukhuluma ngazo. Fair enough lokho azongeza ke lethu abantu bayachinga ama emotions hayi Senegal isiphendukile. uDiaz ipenalty abantu abanye bakhala abanye bathi ukhuthile abanye bathi ukukhululile
awukhuthile baba ukhuthile mdala uyabona bala bekuyifanda uyazi uDiaz uDiaz ubefuna ukuthi ayipenalty yana unforgettable pen ezahlala yana ipen yabophilo mdala la
ekuzitena wayisha World Cup yakho
ngade ukuthi kanjani mdala ukuthi vele one iyo yodwa alizathatha ukuthi ibe yini yabo so lokho kuboshulile mdala ibhathi boshulile mdala
so
dala zodila
lokana nami yafuna ndomasudu ngingakhuluma sili konke ukufuna ukuthi oku-arrange hayi
boshulile
because yathi wathi even uwazathi wayishaya futhi utoma nokuphezeko man wayishaya kulokuze nini ekuChelsea wabamba futhi same penalty wabamba ama-players angaselebrate ku-Champions League so lapho sokwenzakele futhi kulokuze nini kukhipha wabamba kuyatholakala lokho le-boring because abafana abancane labana badlalela ikhamera uDiaz is very
akasevanga yini face ama-football coach ama-football coach
angenele ikhamera because i-team lana since 1967 athi i-team lana ingakathathi 49 years now 49 years to precise ayikathathi lutho kule team leli elothatha 3 years back so ebelele something to lose engathengisa yiphi so into ezifuna social media sibona ukuthi abathengisa uDiaz
no yazi abantu into khona wini to save kuma ku save i-face of football yakwathi manje ukuthi Jens ngeke sidliwe or ibhola save i-face ibhola leAfrica asambe sidliwe proper singadliwi sesendressing singabe ngamakhawa understand ngoba abantu bayalwa ngani oliboni ama-journalist amanye afeyintile amanye ama-support a lot was happening behind the scenes. So, umhlaba nje jikelele ngendlela esibona ngayo i-African football.
Lapho kulo aisho speed yabe kanti yabechika konke ngizokho njalo.
Uyandasela abafana lo streamer. Efaka into zakhe kunjalo. Abantu bemangala ukuthi ukuthi ngabo omunye wala because ngezinto ode sezenzakala behind yikho okuyenza kuphume inkulumo ezinto I like what Masudi say ukuthi kuyalile ukuthi but ngendlela yena shaya I think he saved everything that was going to imagine ngabe ingenile ngema tempers lendlela into ode sezenzakala ngayo
asho ukuthi ngama assumptions esokhuluma
yes ngama assumptions but okunye bese kuyenzakala uma into ode sezenzakala
moment ipenalty gradual vele ngalathi ama supporters eSenegal ngalade ukwane security but engutsho ukuthi kona mina
sesimaphilisi seviyo
even if
futhi after ukuseva umente seseviyo that's why kona tempers come you understand uhloko bayiswi everything is back to normal
30 minutes esidlalweni la bese uyibhola
you understand everything went back to normal
but I don't want to agree ngiyakuzwisisa ukukhuluma but I don't agree avec assumption endala ukuthi kona besizama ukusave ukuthi kona ungabi lomsebenzi
but then the kuseva
ya unkulunkulu
iwe sipepe ncisi futhi
unkulunkulu ngene
because at the same time la Morocco one iyabona ngani it's not fair ukwenza iSenegal because iSenegal yona baphumile ground ipenalty ukuyipenalty
that's what I want
and
to
another thing anjawonjona the moment iphuma igame ila then bese iphenduka ibhola labo senjani ngapha kunabantu abatwayo ngapha
ngiyaphakamisa
everything yabona
so was affected
yabona obviously yazi is a small point la uyaba into ezisenzakala because impilo zabantu ezisebenza yabona then at the same time man uyabe kuthi penalty very fine very penalty and ibhola leserbia kunomali then isidliwa ngenomali akula muntu yathini ethi ukuthengisa ibhola or something hayi but abantu ababekhuluma obviously mdala ngesituation ethi senzakala afana ukuthi abantu bafona abantu bayenza lokho umunye bafuma lokho nalokho uyabona at the same time ukayela impilo zabantu usubona but ibhola lelana yiko umuntu yakubona ibhola sestate vele abantu kumncedile ibhola lapho uyabona umuntu vele athi kumncedile ibhola lapho uyabona because ngani ngenila imagine no duty ukuthi Senegal beyahamba etournament
yiko kutsho phela ukuthi ngiyakuma bani khuluma kukhuluma ngendlela abantu bezonde ngayo sokuyenzakala phela utsho phela abantu abazizali phela
maka ngithi abantu abangasabi impilo abantu abakhona bangabayanga labantu labona abantu abaseground abantu abanemali bayisabi impilo
njalo ngibona sebechaba
supporters but nonetheless akusithuzane iSenegal lokuzele Morocco basithuze nonetheless we just thank God ukuthi kona awuzange kube umuntu ofile lo msindo even though abalimeleyo singathela zethu besile but mina engujabulelayo ukuthi nje ibhola lidlaliwe lapha ngoba ipoint yami ngisho ukuthi kona nxa lisithi kona maybe kube le arrangement yokuthi kukhutshwe ipenalty which means it was not the penalty in the first place but at the first nxa uyikhangela ibhola leyanandi indlela ambambe ngayo it was a penalty
but the situation
afterwards and isiyenzakile sebephendukile ground just score the ball also because it has in the past 3 years ukame 3 penalties uchayela ku left ama shot akho indodila lesikhabelelo mina nanga ngidlala nawe teammate mamukhabelo kana akho Messi kumele ngishaya penalty yakhe ifinally
what you are saying is ukuthi yazi anjo lokade mela kwenze maybe team win 5-0
akho la kuzilo
lokana lokwathi uma ukuthile ukuthi uwhiskey
ujabula
ukujabula njani
akula nje basiyawe
ngoba lokafana
sephendula
hayi
okumuntu endele phezulu
ujabula nje basiyawe ukushayisana ngidlala nawe
yiko bekho ona
yini lesa kuhlohla phela uthola ikhani kanjwa
usingawugugla kahle ukuthi indlu kade yazi
Manje
ahlelikiyo manje
abantu social media yakhe besithi atafla
social media ilapho
nyato nje ukuthi social media yesitshela yonke into yatona into ulo ade usenzakala ngani lathi bese ubona social media
Ngathi lapho salekudala lokuze ninakamba ukuthi
umuntu ayizifana
final group stage lapho salekudala
exactly thina sakubona ku social media
mina soyithe yisho athi wayeva la JP usha man Jay ngamuhlethi ngisho phela
right so benza lokwenzakalayo kwathi
ila bekushapha kuyatsho ngotela ngoyizimbabwe laloma animathini ngashi
engunakambe
umkhelo okude
uyifinal hayi awo iyapita mu stage lawa makhathali
kaya ama emotions abantu
emotion yakhe ama emotions ama emotions abantu ababela edile sezefika kuphela manje ukubona ama emotions abelokwe kweli uyufanya uselfanya nabekweli susha ufinal umuntu eyenza idoke njalo
this is what I'm saying
ukhosha kumuntu umjikele njani
this is what I'm saying khanyela abantu at large they are happy ngokukhudla kwakhe
awubenya yephi
abantu baye
ngoba laba
thina bayaslide social media ukuthi sipost abangelazo social media
ngazakuyifundile moroko ngomuntu anezidoli
asibe izinto ukuthi
nilapha selikhuluma because siza ngokubhalansi years 49 years
almost 50
almost 50 ifuna one thing
akala
isikomidla
ila ithipheneka la niyakuthi
akuna mina ngokuthekiyo but
ithipheneka nto yakuthi
plane yakuthi amashamba
na so na why ufuna uzondweni ukuthi
ukuthi okala
kodwa na why ngizonda basi
ukuthi na ngamuntu
ipheneka ngijela ukudle so na why ngizonda
Zwana
ngoba sofaneka hii
woncha ufinally wewe
because abana eSouth Africa
finally wewe more than nations
do you remember the World Cup in South Africa last minute uGiyani wakhanga umfana ade ngulele kodwa kwehlulile
emakhodi
ukhona final kade ngulele but uyabona ngathi ayikho lokhala ndo
ama different situation
bona according to you apena
asizona kwathi thuya mahaka
simthatha into njana
mina ngitafuna kuba usave ibhola leAfrika
laso iskili sokukaba bese
mina ngitafuna kuba usave ibhola leAfrika
okay sihleli
usave ibhola leAfrika
lokho kwaba sihleli so sithi sicela siphathele ukudla silambile uyekuyela malezi sifana uyezinto ayisiyenza naye uyekuyela malezi
explanation
sikulima $4 sikulima $4 amalezi $3.99 $4 for uyekuyela malezi $4
example
situation sinade singekho yiyo like ukuthi stadium into kade senzakala everything was controversy la then the moment sokusathathwa le penalty bezokuyisikhathi lokuthi kuyabe kwenzakeleni bona yibo abanganjani abangaba nolwazi and la Diaz ekhola bana yena uyabe kwazi ukuthi uhambe njani because the moment penalty ethethwe ngakhona wena if ungakuthi penalty i-reaction oyenzayo it tells a lot about everything. Even when wasave penalty, i-reaction yakho le everyone it tells a lot. Uyabona, but nge-moment yona lana utshaya i-penalty usenziwani, into was like kunormal, awuzange kwaliwa, awuzange like ubengekho elayini usephumile kule VAR and everything. Uyabona,
manje bona ukuthi i-retake imifuzi ithathu. But in terms zokuthi khona wese-football because ngoba nomsindo yilokhu yenzala because
but
it was contained because it's ngesikhathi ukhashi penalty abantu bene kuze beSenegal bevele besenza umsindo ngayo. It was contained still.
Yiko phela ukuseva
lama-president abangaki laba? Kuna-president awu-3. Lo elizwe i-security it was maximum labana vele akunayenza bengasebenzi lutho labana ngomsindo wabo.
ngofaka ividiyo lenomsindo
bebeshaya kodwa ngesithulo
amapholisa
ngoba ilokhu zemnyama abaphendukile washaya penalty yaseva. Imagine wena ngathi uyayiseva
useva kwephela kuhle kwaba
ulokhu izinto dawo.
ibona nakhonti yawo
so ngashaya amalezi ngoba nomsindo ukuthi ayisivumela namanje ikho ngenza ukuthi assumption ngiyayana asikwazi sonke ukuthi lokho
but othi sokuyenzakala
remember it was not a ground kuphela
othi sokuyenzakala
kunye kade usenzakala but
asivumela nento khona nxa kunomsindo sharp sharp ibhora lidlala bayaqala nomsindo lawuthu ibhora lidlala kunomsindo ngapha kunomsindo ngapha ibhora liyadlala sana akuyenzi the same time but i-penalty ikhathwe at the same time ngapha abantu behlupha ngapha
thina ngapha kusuper sport yesizwe ipenalty awumsindo
okomsindo basawufaka but at the same time lokho
i-super sport vele sengitshengize msindo ufaka ividiyo lena ayisukanga ku-super sport so ungafuni ukukrasha le-point because so ungafaki ividiyo lena
already moving on then now find kwenzakile iSenegal isiwe yawina yathi namhle iSenegal iholiday manje president uve wathi haje namhla peace iholiday yowina eAfcon ilizwe abantu abaphumule nini
yavele ukusebenza kuyabhuka lapha
iSenegal
talking of appreciation yakhanya strategy as a president wawenze njalo kuyamotivate indaba fa noma uphani imali but utsho konoka
then kule incident before sirepa up eAfcon usho umuntu othiwa Osasu i-journalist eNigeria ya shouting. I think the video I think umenzi ayifaka la abantu bemulo. Ufuna ukuthi 2 minutes isidlule indaba leyo. Usho umuntu into eyikhuluma was right.
right
Or was he raising relevant questions because I saw uAndile when there was Andile famous journalist media personality report. Your point was correct. But indlela oyenze ngayo lokufuna ukuphikisa upresident esekhuluma yinkonzo zokuba but your point was very much proper ithi that incident la kumele ngikhulu yena awukhulumile ukuthi oshomlo yena uthi I think I've got some it is clear that the president Patrice Motsepe is very angry by criticism that CAF is being colonized by FIFA and the European interests. Motsepe told me that at that time, talking nonsense, we don't take decisions in Africa for Europe, we take decisions in Africa for Africa. He says to me in Rabat, when Motsepe says I'm wrong, I ask him how I've been wrong, he tells me to keep quiet twice. Is that an answer, or that's not wanting to answer my questions by trying to bully me into silence? Uti Hayatu couldn't stop me, Ahmad couldn't stop, and not even a billionaire president of CAF can do that. I'll ask the questions that need to be asked about the state of African football.
okay. the first question to be asked, who is he not to be stopped?
The journalist.
So ngafuna ukuphikiswa ngoba I don't see problem alayo sekuqaleni vele le attitude problem. But nonetheless ipoint yakade raise umbuzo lwana umuhle ukuthi khona ezwisisa ukuthi khona why is the CAF president efuna ukuthi i-AFCON after 4 years idlale futhi ngoJune. It was good to understand. But yena ngendlela ukuthi usefuna ukuforce impendulo ngesikhathi esingayisiso lona uhambe ku-press conference ukuthi ekhulume ngecurrent AFCON esikiyo. Then usufuna ukuthi ayivete umuntu ekabhekule ukuze ku-agenda yakho wena which is your personal motive, which was wrong. Most of the things ezihlala senzakala especially kuma-meetings ukuthi ngidlalile meeting ukuthi yenze something umsebenzi ezinye sicela sifocusa ngento leyo sekikhohlwa into leader nje. I assume that's why okwayenza president wathi khona thula. But coming to the point ukuthi i-AFCON idlalwa after 4 years idlalwa ngoJune, even ingadlalwa after 2 years but idlalwa ngoJune, I will accept, I will support that because I've seen so many our fellow African players suffer from that because we are dependent ngale ufitho kulomunye ochisayo ucoach kasamhlali 17 kasa ngenxa yokuthi wona suphendule that person will continue it is a continue season siphelile unasuka wa i-score akusela lutho but na singathi khona labo xa besiya kulokuzenini ku-international break that's our international break na besiya ku-off season that's our off season sidlala ndawonye akuba affect. That's why I say we take decisions for Africa. This meaning to say those Africans who are there, they're also being put into consideration. Now, since the decision which for us in Dalona, Japanese and with the Ramakins, what is said, I continue. Abaning bakona OTS bakona working bakona abadlali after the whole year kulabanta seleja asebenzile by so doing kuyayenza ukuthi ama-Europeans ebona khona we need Africans ekugcineni and ngingabe ngasabanidi ama-Africans thina sila chance ukuthuthukisa ibhola lethu because thina sodwa silama resources ukuthi si-compare with those people. So I think nxa esilanjalo it becomes fair ukuthi khona level of fitness will be the same with them. Ngoba lapha kuyezodlala 7 games in a space of a month and ngale in a space of a month udlala 4 games. So nxa sebela ngale udiniwe kasaperform sharp.
So in summary, when you're saying you will calendar, that's
mina lami mala ngiqale lapho utsho umntwana empilweni kulento kuthiwa yi-timing yele ekhaya bantu. I-question yabe right. Most of the time njalo ukuthi kuyamala ukuthi sihleli so nokuyela umthanyeli uqala ngawubona but i-timing utsho umntwana i-question yakhe ibigudu but ubuye ngesikhathi esingayisiso omthini but abakwenzayo kumele vele kube i-calendar ihambe nayo in terms of into ekhulunywa ngokudla kuyenza abafana abaningi bebe-jobless uthi siyabuyela ethimini yakho kule nto yi-combination uthole umuntu athi ngikhaselefaka omunye umuntu sele-good combination nabantu lawo khumbula i-Chelsea idlale kangaka i-Madrid idlale kanje o-Diaz bengekho uthi kulo muntu bese ubulala uma ufika vele awungukhoshi angikumfaka umfana ukuthi hayi subulala futhi uqala from up so akusayenzi ukuthi umfana so lana umuntu ucina senjani singasabalona kuhamba because omunye umuntu vele athi la edlala engocophe ebese phinde umbizo wa-Africa etima sebuya thola uyabasamfake lo mfana.
Imagine that's why he's great. I see. To be down, different. You want to be the James which was the
Kuno mina I think obviously vele umuntu phela abo Infantino vele into vele kuyintewa because barani poor yabona and vele into eziningi ngaze zama ukuthi sibaleke sithi thina simulenza ukuthi ku-Africa kufu vele kwi-cup yabona kumele sifike ku-World Cup lathi kwi-Africa siyafuna ukwenza so I think ubona umuntu what they're trying to do into ekhona even ama-team ase-Europe lawo they can't play ndungela African players. Look at your mentions that is umfikile and if you are new Ferdinand I remember Blue City nxa kule-AFCON most of them ama-team angapha structure because yakula that league yama-African players nakunika league yethu uyabona. So I think yinto yokuthi vele kumele nabo kudlale nomani bojuni ngela ama-Euro adlala ngo-June. That AFCON ingadlala ngo-June, I think i-advantage to our teams ngapha ukuthi ngabe kuya bezophefoma aso umuntu ephefome ngasho abasendimeni ngale ngafika senza sephefoma la ethi 100%. Uyabo ngalawo la ngale futhi ngabe dlala futhi ekwazi ukuthi awula stress wafuna izahamba because ngala ama situation even abomnethu ukuthi yabethi ulimele and stuff uyabona sebeseke
Yikho khona lokho.
yikho khona ukwenza but ngihamba ku off season awula team yakunda imfaka pressure or something uyabo. So I think right vele ukuthi sambela.
So I think FIFA ingatifaki umthetho ukuthi wonke ama-league awumhlaba ehambela. Because athi kanje bona yinto esaffecta even thina apha eZimba. Abantu bayaqeda ngesakhathi. Just because le-infrastructure amanye amalizwe amazwe alungisi barelax like boZimbabwe. Siyarelax because siyathi hayi izulu phela sesinjani. Sesiqalisa thina. You understand? But ngifaka kube ngumthetho ukuthi no amazwe wonke ibhola aselidlale ngesikhathi esifana nayo. Kuza force ukuthi even amazwe anje aboZimba abafuluza ama-stadium. Kuze kuzophosa lesikwazi na league iqalisa ngo-August. Umhlaba wonke. I-league August yaqalisa. December ke uyikalekile izulu yana ama-drainage kumele benjani. Ebeseshaya. Kuya-improve ngebhola. I think kube ngokushaya bese kufaka kube ngumthetho. Ukuthi into zonke zihambelane well over. I think that way
Yeah, I think the problem ukuthi vele i-change, we don't want changes.
especially in Africa i-changes
Changes.
but times inzima but ikuphi. That is AFCON, gents. Any highlight sesiyirephile AFCON your highlight or simnandi. Ngithi sike sibe ngapha to our daily break. AFCON, I think there's something that you missed in AFCON in general from game 1 up to that you may want to touch on before we wrap it up in AFCON.
Maybe the only thing I can say in AFCON is Mane becoming the player of the tournament. Looking at Mane from match 1 up to match number 7, which he played, akazange any player elokuthi deserve of the tournament.
Player of the tournament.
Player of the tournament.
The AFCON.
But that last decision, I today, by football. Because what I'm trying to say that in life, generally in life, our decisions is why determine the outcome of our lives. Regardless of what is cancelled and cancelled. So, regardless of what is cancelled, but that last decision you are going to with somebody else in life because you don't want to better than you look at money by far. Even I doubt who are 12 of the match. I doubt who are 21 of them. But I want to opening 40 years and so this kind of years will appear. But when you are because of each decision and I'm going a year to save. So how much is this why as well as how much is this price one? How much informed decision before just through our emotions.
I think that's even this one. It goes out to anyone in life.
Anyone in life.
General.
Who has sold Calasenta?
Do you want to add on something? AFCON.
I think Umane will kill the Senegal because you see that also Tama critical policy. This has trained. I want to work like a
but it is what you're saying.
I mean, I think it's near especially Senegal, my team. Now, Chetty Morocco, he had the advantage to share about a woman, which was ever winning, but he was to say, obviously, you would take the pen ground. That was excellent.
I think
the one that's said to is you enjoy what you do. We are Zundu. We are one of the way he is one.
But I
think we have to make a to me in Nigeria who want to awungenelani nangapi lebhola
Yeah.
uJazz even bedli badle ufinal they deserve to play out the tournament like very wow nje it was wow even but I think ipoint ekhuluma ukuthi inika ama-points amane ukuthi you can now offer everything as man ungekukhona ukuyeda nge-AFCON
But yawugeza abantu ukuthi usave abantu
ngokukhuthi
barumani choni
amara vele ongayiqile kwakuthukuzwa class ubonisile ubuyiro
indoda
class ubonisile ubuyiro
is a leader yeah
qualities i-wisdom into yonke that's why umdeserve yilo bantu ungamdeserve but yena that decision ayenzileyo asinqumulesana it was so big so
ubonisa ukuthi uleader so far
That's what I'm
yeah so gents moving on there's a lot that was happening just phenduka to our daily break
Yeah.
unenge okwenzakale eZimbabwe ngapha siku-AFCON ngapha kuyafika kuyahanjwa sesiqashe khona abagents ekhaya kumbe ngiqashe mangiqashe kaPeter Ndlovu I think kaPeter Ndlovu is more interesting Peter Ndlovu coming back to from as a manager in Scotland I think is on another the issue nanokuthi bathe benjani bem-announcer kule nkalakatha yemali mdala 300,000 ezizinto abantu bazathi siyathanda ukusola but hayi okunye mina kuyini yazi lokwana asonto zebhura
Yeah.
uManchester banemali eziserious bakwazi ukufaka 2 billion etafuleni but abakuyeni
Abawenzi.
kanti why lathi siyenza into ezinye izinto ezinjalo
indaba epointini yakho naleyo eZimbabwe silabantu abalemali abangasobekho laba bayefuna ukuzibonakalisa emalini yabo even ukuthi uzopita ababisela ukuthuthukisa ibhola ukuthi thina siyakhona ukwenza noma yini because of
but I think
because it is playing of imali kana it is out of football vele kunabantu abalemali eziningi baba siyasibona abantu abalemali ukuthi kunje so orun bahamba baqe ngamaterrace South Africa oRonaldo base South Africa ongakuvona befaka inkalakatha balokhala bakwenzileyo
but bemfuphikisa ukuthi ukubisa uPeter Ndlovu I think ukukhweza ibhaye ebhola yelikhweza
Yeah. UPeter Ndlovu brings the vast of experience being a manager of a team. Who are managing Sundowns, senior Sundowns, the class manager, as I figured out that is well experienced and understands football. He's had experience in foreign what flight, what so it's something that is good for football as well. But nonetheless, suspend the issue of when you are unveiling somebody else, you now showcase imali yakho. Imali ni yakho so yethu. Asilanda abala yakho. Ngaze ibe nemonganana so yethu. Ngaze usitshengise sabontulayo asilamandla phezulu. So football is not played by money. Ukuthola ukuthi khona ngaze ngiwine kuhle second imali. Ngoba sibamanisela bona. Yabona ngaze bewina besitshaye ukuthenga i-team 5060 njalo kwakwenza lokho FC Platinum. It was a pure winner. Ngabo winner fair but ngenxa ukuthi ngabantu abahlezi besplash imali whatever they are think ukuthi kona kuyakubhadala so imali leyana ungakhuluma ukuthi kona mpili why bengakufaka icheck ngoba icheck ebhole 300,000 we know ukuthi vele ebholeni kusetshenzwa ama checks why kusetshenzwa ngecash nxa soke eScotland noma ngabanye abantu kufuze kusebenze kuyilo kusetshenzwa ama check imali which means bayiqala icheck yelizwe ukuthi kona imali ingakana why isiba segcekeni ngabe ngakho when you are trying to demand a question ukuthi kona something like that but I think this is another sign ukuthi kona they don't even beg imali ezimthetho ezibokufuna imali back raise ama-loopholes amaningi ukuthi kona which means maybe they are above the law we don't know but we know no one is above the law but nonetheless into ukuthi be-showcase imali is something like i-challenge labona ibhola babantu abakwanisa ukudlala especially ownership by Robot. But it's uzitshengisa ukuthi kona i-limelight ngikwanisa ukusplash imali so that people can love you for your money but any person who loves you cannot buy it right. It should be temporary.
I look at it, it's not professional.
It's not professional. They like professionalism.
You need everything else to the team. We're professional. ibhora lethu kumele libe pro alukana lapho ngicapho
i-caps yalokuzela emveli i-sponsorship was 4 million.
4 million
Did you see any dollar funds in that place?
not even one rand
You see, but i-4 million ilimeli 300,000. So ikubhayisa lokho lokwenza ayisiko kwebhora. Nxa befuna ukwenza kwebhora benza kwebhora. Nxa befuna ukwenza kweshow abahambe kumodeli.
so what do you have to say about that issue
hawu yazimele uthole imali nje ukuthi umkontrole uthole imali yamukele imali yakhe vele kunzima ngazi ukuthi yona ungathengisi dola umukele imali vele
Ngithe imali ukusethelweni yabahlu.
umuntu osele imali lwanothi mina ndemali vele ukuthi yona even kufana even ubuye ejabana ngathezu ukwethe kwasuka la 200 awunazo ukuthi
esidlibane esikweli
esidlibane yakhe kunzima nje ukuthi umkontrole but I think that ukupita abathethe umuntu lwana ngafika ebafakisi because baku-Champions League
bakushambe
so I think i-experience yakhe ye-Champions League izabanceda kakhulu ukuthi kuyenziwani lani kufunakalani I think kuzabanceda maybe ukuthi beku-stage yabo
So, can rightfully say-
Esilungele kumcontrol. Bengamekele yenze into yakhe.
so you can rightfully say scored the players in the right team
Yeah, that's a good decision.
but
As long as
they
bengamekele
got 2 years I think
trade contract.
abo bathi ba off season endazo ba off season
Preseason.
pre-season ba pre-season kebe eSouth Africa iScotland isikhwezile sibili ibhayi ebhora eZimbabwe lokana must not take
I
away
know it's not because in every bad thing there's a good thing. Into zemali zakuthi imali zakuthi basinganazo. I'm joking.
mina ngichaza ukuthi indlela abayenze ngayo because andebona test umbeka ungacheka issue kaMbeka no Pitis umbeka uthi bathi ingasayini kwaye
Well,
ufuna izaba it's already telling you ukuthi abafana sebevulekile bathi because of what's happening
umdlalo lokukhwela basafuna.
abafana bakhathile so asihle singeneni ku-issue nale AI umbeka no Pitis uPitis I think ukuthi issue kuthiwa issue zemali or sithi allegedly bekuzi issues uPitis uthe sefuna ku FC Platinum eyalenda ubethwele was owing 5,000 US and wathi angicela ngisayinele but uyale affidavit wa sewuclear uhambe lokunika clearance but issue yemali so iphisa awusaphiwa suphiwe clearance umbeka ngabe uthi ngafuna ukusayina ungekazapha akatrain and imagine iyalenda 200 years all these things esikhulume ngakho la sibuye iyalenda 200 years and izinto lezi sesi lika Dijon uDijon uthe ufuna imali yakhe ka uDijon wayifake i-clause na angazi into lezo surely uku-admin kujazi into ongazikhutha uthi member okanya asonto ezidila ngama legal staff
Yabona inkinga ye-Islanders yokuthi khona bafuna ukuthatha islogan sabo esebhozo ukuthi ibhozo ngenkani besifake i-advert bese ukuthi ibhozo ngenkani ngese-supporters ngese-ground ebhoreni in the field of play. When it comes to legal issues akufuni ukubhozo ngenkani because nje bonke abafana laba nxa bengaqalisa ukuyalokhuza ukuripota ama-cases lawo e-Islanders ukuthi khona umuntu wambhalise affidavit yokuthi khona bengambhadali imali yakhe which is slavery. Pure slavery umuntu esebenzela amanga nxa ningasamfuna umuntu nanilehlekile ukubhadala umuntu wakakhuluma ukuze umasuthatha wathi khona liyakhulumisana sikhuluma endaweni yinto lapha no mafana kade simali asini siyafisa ukubhadala imali yakho sicela ama-teams ukuthi ukubhadala imali yakho wona usiyadlala ngapha sakudlala khona sikuphi understandable but imali ngasesensipultos ngasukamba wona isi-affidavit yokuthi imali wasayifuna usifuna i-clearance ngingathenga imali nge-clearance akwenzi and it's not guaranteed ukuthi apho ngiyakhona futhi ngiyafika enjani ngiphefome shape encane ngifika nje ngishaye injani andisela lapho engiyakuya khona la ngingaba-understand so i-Islanders is to respect i-football especially the executive they have to respect i-football nxa uyasayina i-coach ukuze khona ukuthi maybe i-social media lamanga wathiwa uChibuda sehambe ku-Scotland i-Scotland iyabhadala ama-expenses ka-coach uDijon but kanti sokuthiwa bhosile escorate
anoyi kaDijon ngathi isalary ishabo isalary bekile uDijon wayifaka i-clause 5% ukuthi any
survive wethatha imali engagula bazambhadala
manje then i-team ngathi ulamaloku umzila ama-winnings uyawona cup ne-5% of the prize money amele-2 ube ku-league i-position whatever position they finishing kule mali iyayilenda kumele iphiwe ikhasi so imali indiyana kumele i-5% iye kuDijong so I think uDijong that's the case ayihambise ku-FIFA so I think that's because ngibuza ukuthi i-clause liyana awutshela akula muntu owayi-checkile yini because I think i-team kumele ibe nomuntu o-legal o-check-a those clauses.
And then now any contract is binding, which means babe saying abasayina so they have to pay. Regardless of what you do.
So what I'm saying
so that's into ebuhlungu because into ebuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi Jonga ukuthi wayefuna ukucontinue le Islanders. Yinto ayifuna ukucontinue le Islanders nomnisi. So nasebenze njalo izwe ndami sokuthi for that.
Mara ngizisupported le lo le thule umjala nanzi indaba
Ukweshiwa.
Yabona ukusokazi wabubuhle bamahlabezu. Ubuhle bamahlabezu ibhoxo. Engakutshela mabe lalela nje mabezalalela sebesibulele administration yabumhlophe isibulele amahlabezu sibulele ibhoxo irana yabona kulento okuthiwa urana umuzi wakho uphinde urane i-small house awurani ngendlela efanayo i-administration e-Islander irana singani irana i-small house ngani isekufebeni yabona so we are tired and fed up on the administration now it's 100 years amanye amateam asayina akulokuze ngale i-Islanders is busy losing yakuthi ungathi uyalima ulokhe uluze inkabi lapha uyabona emakhaya kuyaba lenkunzi ukuthi umuntu uyacela inkunzi awubantu ibuye ekhaya khona kuzazalo lapha manje thina siluze inkunzi akusela lutho ombe bayekela bengasayini sebekulele and lento asifuni mavutsi sesifuwa landa 99 amfuthi lamanje
amavutsi
asifuni mavutsi ngoba sikwazi emavotsini omunye ule contract omunye ule company yama-security uyanika abantu ukuthi buyalizomvotela so asafuni mavuti ngabaphume kahle babathi sesikhathi kafuthi iyalenda sisusibuhlungu iyalenda zingani ifeja amanye ifeja yewesiko lokha icela bephume immediately ifeja mvutse amanye yinto khona asento pending yinto khona ephekwayo yayilenda manje idisclose sicela bephume with immediate effect
para kuphula njalo nje
hayi abaphume sikhathela amabhoti asafuna amabhoti sebesibulele
but on a serious note James umbuzo that team is going for 100 years I think we should be talking good things about Islanders across the world. But ngani kulama kulezinto ezingahambi ngendlela omele zihambe all these issues I think most of them are negative not ukuthi abantu bathi besithi othumela ku-podcast abashala besura kuphela but these are issues that are out there guys.
Yeah, that's true. Yabona i-Islanders like I said ukuthi kona it's one of the biggest teams ukuthi kona even ungafika kuye umuntu orashonga ukuthi emntwaneni umncane ukuthi ngitsenzela ama-team awumthuwazi eZimbabwe one of the teams abe-Islanders nazuye ngaphi one of the team abe-Islanders and we don't expect such things to be happening ku-Islanders because we see them as the role model for other teams. Every team wants to reach that and but now nxa usukhangela ukuthi kona ku-100 years yakhona what is there to celebrate ku-Islanders ngaphandle kwamangcebo khathesi kule issue kathi Joe Tomalo kule issue kaMarware awucathi ukuthi kuhamba njani ukuthi uMarware usesebenza ngothi Joe
bathi
But angitsho nje ukuthi kodwa ucaca.
Awucaci.
Awucaca.
Akacaci.
Ngiyacaca, awuthaba ukucaca.
Uthabo ngempathu.
Umeleli we-payment umararo kathathu.
So imorale nge-social media futhi ebisumane.
Emararo nje esikhulume wazi why? Because uthabo was officially announced by
Nonetheless ikathabo futhi andele ukuthi bona up to now
umeleli payment. I-payment ithi 7 to 21 days. So esengahlala ndiyazula i-21 days emeleli payment.
Lingajustify this.
Yabasijustify umtshela.
Usikwasebenze ngelawo i-payment yakho.
Yiko urongo.
Usenza khulu ngakho singala. Usebenzile ngelawo i-payment. Usebenzile ngelawo i-payment.
Yiko urongo.
100 years alikwazi ukuthi 100 years kwi-Premier League alikwazi ukuthi umuntu uzasebenza ngelawo.
Lokho urongo. Yiko urongo. Yiko wathi
years alikwazi umuntu uyabhadala imali yakhe.
nakwazi.
So indaba ingambhadala. Imali yakho iphuma esikhwameni zabo wena.
Yiko urongo phela.
Imali yakho nakho iphuma esikhwameni zabo umhlophe wakho.
Yiko urongo.
Bengayenzi i-Islanders ibe lihlazo.
Ikasana.
Bengayenzi i-Islanders ibe lihlazo. I-Islanders i-team yabantu. Yakwazi i-Islanders la nxa ungayisupport yahawukela ukuthi kona ngabantu bonke laba support team yami the way they do it.
So wena ushafisa chicken
No, ikreshi yabo mina not a specific.
Ufisa chicken
Ngayina supporters anjena abantu la nxa izulisina. Abantu siyagijima sihambe siyacathi emabhalini bese behlabela izulisina.
hayi ngethanda.
Ile kuzini imithi idula kangaka eZimbabwe. Banethwa lizulu behlabela ibhoso. Bedlala idaka eground yabo. Kodwa bayayimela injalo. Ubusuqedwe kwabhadala ngehlamba lezi ezizenzakala ngehlamba phezenzakala. Akabahlonipha amasupporters.
Abaphume mntana. Awusingalindela amabhosa awaphume manje.
Siseqiniso ngabahlonipha amasupporters. Iya-Leaders yakidlala kusasa le team uzithola bona namhla igame $5. Kusasa sibathele namuhla kusasa $5 every bekhona bazidelela kwathi ke they take them for granted. Ibhoso abantu sebefuna ubuhle bebhoso ngabalandeli babo. Sengibona ukuthi babisho bozona ibhoso ingcolile. Okuhle ngabazana ngabalandeli. Okuhle ngabalandeli.
Yiko.
Nangakuzulanga sabushisi.
Ibhoso singcole mdala mdala. Yazi lo administration kabila ama-players ukhangele ukuthi amateam ayathenga mdala.
Bathengile pha.
Bayathenga mdala bayenza.
Sithengile anonsile bele anti
Ibhoso azibonekaya. Umbe bazicabangela yena nawo umili umbheka manje umuntu ucathi wena umbheka wena mayangasasayinanga nje bangaka abafana azikusayina 28 bangaka abafana kube besithi mfakunyabo bengafani
abantu bakhona abanye basayinile uPage mkhoma Page usayinile ubone uNigeria hayi abasayina nje ilabana mdala abasadinga laba amalo kuze lawo babudala but in terms of mdala ukuthi ama responsible omunye iplayer ngasuka manje ngangelo ata bahambe badlala umanika uzanuthi uzahola imali yakhe kuhle adlale inhliziyo yakhe isharp manje lapha mdala so lapha izindlela zamuthi sesabona uAto different vele uzabona uAto different mdala uthi uchawa ngabantu abafana bakho ngenxa ukuthi sehluleka
ibhoso ngelevel esikiyo ayisafuni ukuthi abafana besebenzele ukhwelo. Ibhoso ikulevel ukuthi
ibhoso yonke indawo.
Yonke indawo. Ibhoso ayisafuni abafana besebenzele ukhwelo besebenzele inhlamba. Ayisafuni ukuthi abafana kumuntu obona lokudlalela leaders. Isifunda ukudlalela leaders kube lento oyitholayo kube le meaning. Ukudla nxa ungena ugqokile silale ugqoke pride. Ikumbe befuna izapho. Yibona befuna something ukuthi bona la ngandlala ibhoso ngaphuma lo. Ukuthi ngayifundisa yena zapha. So i-Islanders very big. But asukuthi layithanda. Yakula mntu ongayithanda. Isukuthi layithanda. Akula mntu ongayithanda.
Phela feel like ngiyalisele ngakhuluma konke. Into ekumele yenzakala yilinda vele ababhadala abantu. Because konke sesingakhuluma sithi bayenzani bona ababhadala abantu. Bebe le mali ukuthi bedinga abantu. Because everything esiyenzakala kwayilinda yena le ukuthi wonke umuntu usehlala engokhulumayo behind the scenes stuff, but at the end of the day abantu ababekile. So abantu abathatha amakhadi uvote wenziwe Because yonke into yabesenza isizini yaqalile.
Okay, the question going on. Yeah, the question as it went up, part of the administration show, but how do you lead abantu abangafuni? Sukwazi abantu abangafuni.
Yabona kunjani?
Sithatha amakasi singafuni.
Yathi kunjani?
Asafuni ekhaya.
Yabona
Asafuni
kunjani?
administration njalo.
Angiyakuzwa mina ngitsho wena uthi awusayifuna.
Dala, akula muntu osefuna into kuzi.
Ngaphandle ngeke bekhona mina.
We-administration abafazi babo mtshela
yabona iproblem yokuvota nje kunje so nxa singasukuma wena nami kuthiwa sivote ukumbani omuthi abantu bayakuyela kubathanda khona but kodwa i-national fact mina ngimude kulapho so ukuvota vele is not fair
But into umthetho wamkhulu.
yikho ngiyakwazi khona ukukhuluma but my point is ngizwile sithi khona ibhoso ayibhadala abantu yes that's true but at 100 years ibhoso is not a team which should be built.
Yeah, 100 years.
At 100 years amabizo wonke should be jostling ukuyadlalela i-leaders.
Yeah, true.
Wonke umuntu alamabizo futhi kagijima yakho into begijimela eScotland because ngalo eScotland abalandi bizo balandi imali but ibhoso ngayiyabhadala ibhoso abantu basebelande imali kuphela belanda ibizo and the two most people ungakunanzelela ngimsebenzisa i-example kakhulu kuthiwa ngushibudalwa ngawe uhlalile kubhoso lwakho ubezathenga outside of the country because ibhoso it's a big name ukuthi lawo noma ngidlalela i-Islanders ama-teams amaningi ayafollowa i-Islanders and nxa udlalela i-Islanders yathengisa ama-players amaningi ngoba i-Islanders ngodana bose bathengisa better than amanye ama-teams if whether siyafuna kumbe sikufuni because lakhathi sikunjalo kanti i-team ethuthwa kakhulu kwedlala ama-team wonke i-team ethuthwa kakhulu i-Islanders yathutha kwedlala wonke ama-team locally even though kunama-team ahambe ku-relegation bona ahambe ku-relegation kuthiwa mbanda o-Greenfield bantu bayathatha but abathathi kakhulu njengakwa-Islanders why because i-Islanders nxa idlala it's a brand iyabukelwa ngabantu abaningi iManica Diamonds unele abahambe khona sizothola iwine 1-0 o-Greenfield zithola iwine 2-0 but ibhoso la nxa iwina 1-0 3-0 idliwa 1-0 5-0 idliwa wonke umuntu uyayibukela that's the difference so into kuzelini it's like i-network singathi i-network engani yabamba eZimbabwe yokuthi wonke umuntu uyayibukela ibhoso iyabukelwa ngabantu abaningi so nxa ibukelwa ngabantu abaningi it's easy to market players unlike amanye ama-teams
umahashi ngani iseroom
kuyathina la
umahashi ngani ufuna ukubuya la uthe akafuni imali akafuni ini but ufuna lapha azaba nothando is it a good move ukuthi
umahashi is a good player umahashi umahashi wabulawa i-situation yakhe lomfazi wakhe wambulala wamlimaza emotional waswela kanti waswela ama-psychologist angamncedisa but i-talent umahashi is
but I think ngibona yoshama workouts
yami ngabona even Facebook
ngingamthola
let me revive
yeah I don't want to give you 3-4 good years
exactly yabona kule nto kunywa ngukhonje ekhuluma ngocoach lo Amorim sikona iproblem amacoach amancane kumbe amanye amacoach nje ukuthi khona if a player does not perform well they rush to blame instead of ukuthi bemncedise umahashi kafuni ukublame ofuna umncedise and umahashi kafuni imisebenzi omningi umncedise ufuna just a bit of love a bit of
I think it's welcome yeah ngabantu support
atusikwalinda zabo ichizwe ukwalinda
I think yobulela
baba umahashi bangamfaka i-first game versus Bulawayo Chiefs i-second game yabe baba ngathi usafika second half abantu babe sebekhohle konke okawa sebemsupporta kakhulu yabona umahashi is a major post yabona asithi kulo mahashi kulo bombe maye ngabombe baba uStan Bali
awesayini umbe bengamthengisa phela
yabona ukuthi ngani umbe bathi
anti problem
umbe wakala maka umbe wela uthi ufuna istand ayikona ke ngifuna izapha emsikila
stand
bangaka abantu abafuna
ukuthi ngifuna izapha but
somewhere not
engathi emzikazi machoro umzikilo lokho estenda hayi sitshole ukuvula amanye ama-eye njalo izindlu zemzilikazi manje thatha wena i-15,000 manje nguthuya kusulayo wena indlu 15,000 emzilikazi
I understand. Yabona
So ufuna izapha
ngake ngifuna izapha ngifuna izapha laye yabona 10,000 yabona 10,000 ayisengamuphela ndaba wese amazapha lawo akhanyayo yabona amazapha akhanyayo so yikho
Ngiyayizi
sokuthi
point yakho Masulu.
ipoint yami ngiyayizwa but ikabuyele futhi upoint kaMbebe ukuthi uyakhangela ukuthi ibhosi ehle ukubhadala 5,000.
hayi engakhangeli laphana i-poor administration so asobhosi ehlulekayo
But now kule point ebengifuna sivale ngayo. Major benefactor yalindawo ezinechiva. Uchiva kakhulu mashamba but gent uze ndiwe izinyungu. Kuma benjini nawo. Kuma benjini must be cool. Kasi seyeshe ubhadala 5 gram. But ngabe thiwa umkuma benji. Bamfake bathi benji coach yayini. Uchiva beyafaka ikaranja lesikhuluma ukuthi befaka imali uScotland. Beyafaka imali uchiva. Iyalini beyathola imali beyathenga nama players asela bebe celebrate 100 years yabo. Bela ama player engcebe ngawoni league. Asikwazi.
Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi
Izipoint ezo.
beyathenga kanti ishiba kayifanga kanti manje bathenge mdala bayakhitshela ukuthi singayaziyo mdala khona
No ngiyazithola.
hayi okay bebeyathenga yiphi manje ngeke wangasomali wazi into beyathenga manje bengaso kuwena 100 years uthimba lwengekho akube into yakho yemali kapiya no administration tiba sala imali yakho ayenza must continue
ipoint ekhona ukuthi engiyakuzwa ukukhuluma bebengakwanisa ukwenza inkinga isekutheni khona mina as a person I like to believe ukuthi khona there is no room for compromise. There is no room for compromise.
True.
Umariwari does not understand the identity of our leaders. And umariwari na ebuya ele benefactor esikutshela ukuthi imali
Ngathi njalo ungaqhubeki. Bajinsawu was there. Bajinsawu was not part of anything.
I'm coming.
I didn't the party was there.
I'm coming there. Ukuthi umariwari kayazi ayide kuzenini identity yale ndazanti. Right, ulethiwe ngumuntu ole ideology yakhe. Ulethiwe ngumuntu ole mbonani. Ulethiwe ngumuntu ole mali ozakuthi I'm going to dictate terms. You'll be like running the club on behalf of the administration because I'm paying the coach.
Kube yikho ungcono ukuthi libe lemali. Kube umuntu ofaka imali, kube ngane
Ngangona space border. Ngangona space border. Singela imali.
Balikhathe selikhaya ukuthi umbeka akafusa
Akube njalo sikhale nini but bekhale
wena ukuyethana ukuthi wena endlini yabo
ubuselo ngenye indoda wena.
ubuselo ngenye indoda engathi le mali
Kade lokake kwenzakala. Hayi phela kwenzakala, kwenzakala. Yazi wayikhuluma njalo, into eveli ibenzakala. Uchiva akaqalisa. Into that's my point. Akaqalisa. Umuntu eveli khona.
Bekuchini ngama conditions.
ama-condition
Isponsor sonke sikhona. Wanda sosithi khona ukuze ndinike imali thetha ntoni emkhathi. Asikwazi ukumtsheleni
umtshele
angithi mina because yathi ngikhathule ukuze noMasuthu lapha ngithi hamba uMasuthu umfuna behind the crew lokuzenini ukuthi uMasuthu uzabuye ezosebenza wena even ngasuyinjalo sokubona somtshela lokho because mina yimi ngikhathile and by so doing you have lost the control of the club layinika umuntu uyafanele ukuthi ngimthengisele and kuselibusa ngendlela but nxa ukuthi khona ngisikhathile uMarwala siyafika simtshela uMarwala kuyakhangelela lokhu la lokhu failure of which you go
Wasivaleleni ngoJarayi sesilo Dynamo kulokhu izinto. Durban City good move.
Yeah, it's a good move for Jarayi Nyembezi with Dynamos because ngumuntu ade Dynamos and now because we feel that they be right the leadership you are supposed to be carrying the kuzabe sokunzima it out but ukufa kwesoja kubhalisa inkampani so city all the best to Jarayi. It's a good move for Zimbabwe football as well so that you can get his exposure and experience. So all the way we support you and good luck.
I think since ngicina ngawo namhla kuzile last year Toby masuthi namphithizile wena vele sobe kungova show.
I think that is good for him to improve since you have udlala sharp imagine uphinde ubuye futhi udlale local I think uye Africa but I think it's ehamba ngani
Out.
I think he's going to be a good player more and it's good for the national team.
That's great. You wanna know what that's great. You see, masuthi evaluate.
Mina ngikujalayela ngithi
No, that's great in general. Kaya utheni silambile umuntu esiphathela ama-ladies.
ngathi sawusugayi photo la. Hambe kuya lento esiyaqedza ngeke amalezi. So singabantu singayenzi
What is the
ama decision asibulalayo instead of uyenza into ekhanyayo uyenza into engaqedakali. So be careful with decision oyenzayo. Be careful with decision.
But in closing, guys, next week we're celebrating our 100th episode. If you want to partner, that's 100 years. That's 100 episodes. I'm going to tell you about Jubilee. That's very content. It's content Jubilee the next week. So we're celebrating episode. If you want to partner with us, please give us a ring. How can you partner with us? Then 7 Seasons Cafe and episode is confirmed. Seasons Cafe, so if you want to partner with us in our 100th episode, now we come through. If you want ukuzigqokisa ufuna ukwenza and ufuna advertise into zakho uvunyelwe guys. We're celebrating our 100th episode. Thank you so much ukuthi ube lathi up to but the end is not easy. 100 hayi khatshana so siyabonga kakhulu laba basixhasa lokho beqhubeka besixhasa sisiya ku 100 episode guys. Nxa umusha please subscribe, subscribe and share and make sure ukuthi ifamily iyakhula. Hopefully this is a secret. Hopefully soon emaduzane sebese merchandise castle move abantu bazathenga. Xa unama-ideas ofuna ukuthenga uthi usitshele ukuthi wena uthandani merchandise merchandise emiqalisa ukubuya. I think emizaqalisa episode but anyway guys it has been a lovely episode. A lot was saying we're expecting next week celebrate 100 years kube ngcono. I think enye into esayenza ku-100 episode I would love everyone abakhona bekhona ubuhle phela bekhona uganethi samdonsa samumdonsa abo uvan. It's unfortunate uvan is doing something I think usenamibia or something lapho uvan abekhona kuya sibe baningi man bonke abantu abekhona i-crew sibe baningi but anyway guys until next week celebrate 100 years. I think it's goodbye.